Have you fucking heard of the first production car to have an F1 engine inside of it? Sounds cool, right? And don't get hyped, it's not the BMW M5. That engine was the absolute disaster, no fucking reliability whatsoever. It looks cool for sure, and it might be the most beautiful sedan out there. But it spent more time in the shop than the streets. Sorry to say that, BMW fans. But it's the AMG one. 1.6-liter V6 engine that revs up to 11,000 RPM. And that tiny-ass engine produces over 1,000 horsepower. Fucking hell. Fucking awesome. Fucking cool. Anyway, don't forget to follow me or your engine will blow.